Hataw Paris presents
Mga kababayan! Turn up!
Cultural dance competition. Ang mananalo nito ay mag-uuwi ng 1,000 euro. 90 minutes Zumba dance and also featuring different Filipino performers. The event starts at 6 p.m. until 12 midnight.
This event would like to thank A-Mart.
Itsura pa lang, nakakatakam na. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na sa A-Mart.
For more details, please contact this number.
At yun lang, ingat at enjoy ang bawat isa. Again, Happy Hataw Paris 20